Today we are going to discuss some important portions based on Module 2 of Basics of Electrical Engineering, that is relating to magnetic circuits. Normally, out of 100 marks, 15 marks comes from Module 2. Some previously asked portions are 1. Definitions regarding magnetic circuit, 2. Problems based on MMF, 3. Definitions based on electromagnetic induction. Now I am going to discuss the first portion, that means some basic definitions regarding the magnetic circuits. First I will give a basic idea about the difference between magnet and magnetism. Consider the figure shown. A piece of bar magnet is described here. Here the lines of magnetic force starts from north pole and terminating at the south pole. Any material which possesses the power of attracting pieces of iron is called a magnet. And the property by which this attraction takes place, it is called magnetism. Mainly there are two types of magnets, that means permanent magnets and electromagnets. If the magnetization which is used to magnetize the material remains the same, it is called permanent magnet. They are of two types, natural magnet and artificial magnet. But when the magnetization is done by passing current flowing through the magnetic circuit, then it is called an electromagnet. That means whenever current flows through this magnet, it becomes an electromagnet.